guys, welcome back to Success Band channel. Today I am going to discuss about what is the identifier in Python, that concept, and some rules for giving name to the identifier. So let me start. What is the meaning of identifier is the name itself indicates identifier is used to identify the elements. So that means here variables comes under the example of identifier, also variable also, and similarly some functions like object and class, everything will be comes under this identifier. So for everything we are giving some name, so by using that name we are identifying the particular object or function or class. So identifier example means this variable class, object, and module, and even function and constraints, like this. Some rules for giving the name to the identifier. The identifier name should not match with the keyword. So this is important, should not match with the keyword, and every identifier name should start with the character or underscore. Okay, so every name should be start with character, otherwise underscore. Without using these rules, then it will not identifier. The identifier name alphanumeric, and the identifier name is a case sensitive. Okay, so this is all about identifier, what's the meaning of identifier in the Python, and some rules for while giving the name to the identifier. So I hope this video you understood the all topics. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.